This is a test video of the Duplo DBM200 connection cable and DC48 connection cable. Now, this video is being done by LCE Graphics and is being done for Steve. Steve, what we have determined is that your cables are actually good. I went ahead and checked them point to point, and I actually hooked them up here to the system, and we have the trimmer on. As you can see, the red light at the bottom is on. Okay, now I've got your cables hooked up straight across there all the way up to here to the motherboard. Now I'm going to turn on the Bookletmaker. As you can see, it just comes up, it's ready to run. We'll push the jog button. It's jogging. Trimmer's jogging. Now it stops. We're going to go ahead and hit the step mode button there, and it's running. Now I don't have a shaft hooked up in here, or actually a belt's broken, so you can't see my conveyor belts running. But you can hear the motor running on it. And when I hit the stop button here, it actually shuts it down. And then, as you can see, the red light goes out on the motherboard. But when you turn it off, back off on the emergency stop there, red light comes back on. So it is communicating from Bookletmaker to trimmer. And as you can see, if you push the stop button, you do get a 51, like you're supposed to. Undo it. I'm going to open the trimmer door. 51. And then the lid. 51. It communicates whenever one of those three things are open and tells it, hey, you got to stop. So, your umbilical cord or communication cord between the two, both the Bookletmaker side and the trimmer side are both functioning properly. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. I will be calling you and letting you know what I came up with on this here, and what we're going to look for on your trimmer when it's when we go through your telephone tech support. Okay? All right. You have a good day, Steve. Bye.